Today we're going on a Halong Bay cruise, so something that Cody found, so we're pretty excited about that. We just got picked up and it takes about 3.5 hours from Hanoi. It's a beautiful day here in Hanoi. So we've had perfect weather every day we've been in Hanoi, except today, when we're going to be on a boat. It's raining. We made it! Now we're about to go on our boat for Halong Bay. This is not the boat we were expecting.
So we just got really rolling on our Halong Bay cruise. We just had lunch, and so far the boat, the scenery, the staff, the food, everything's been absolutely amazing, like beyond what we expected. And like we're just going into Halong Bay right now. You see boats everywhere. Oh, it's amazing. There's only half the people on the ship that they can fill up, so we have a lot of the ship to ourselves. So many options to sit. There's a pool, there's a hot tub.
Stunning. It's so stunning. Sunset here on the boat, and it's so peaceful up here. It's so quiet. There's like 29 people on this boat. It's pretty awesome.
So many people probably don't know this, but for the last like 2 years or so, we've been pretty good for having a date night every Wednesday, and we're out on our Halong Bay cruise, and it just happens to fall on a Wednesday, so date night!